Hey, and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky Whitehead, here to help you understand post-divorce reinforcements. Today we'll be talking about, can you be forced to get a job after your divorce? In Texas, the question of whether you can be required to get a job after a divorce often arises when it comes to spousal maintenance, also known as alimony, or child support obligations. Typically, if one spouse is financially dependent on the other during the marriage, Texas courts may consider a range of factors to determine if that spouse should seek employment post-divorce. While Texas doesn't require a person to get a job outright, a court may impute potential income on a person if they're capable of working and choose not to. This means the court assumes a certain level of income for that individual, which can affect the amount of support awarded or required. Courts generally believe that both parties should work towards financial independence after a divorce, which can lead to a judge encouraging or even pressuring a spouse to secure employment. This becomes especially relevant in cases involving spousal maintenance. Texas law has strict requirements for awarding spousal support, often limited in both amount and duration. The courts may award it in situations where a spouse lacks sufficient property to provide the minimum reasonable needs and cannot support themselves due to physical or mental disability, care of a young child, or lack of earning ability. In cases where the spouse receiving support has the ability to work, the judge may order limited term support and give them time to gain employment or enhance their job skills. Failure to pursue these efforts could result in a reduction or termination of spousal support. In child support cases, the court also examines each parent's financial contribution to raising the children. If a parent is intentionally unemployed or underemployed, Texas courts may impute income estimates when the parent could potentially earn based on factors such as education, work history, job availability in the area. This approach prevents a parent from avoiding child support obligations by not working, particularly if the court believes the individual is capable of holding a job. For example, if one parent chooses not to work, the court might calculate child support based on a presumed income level, ensuring the children's financial needs are met. For the spouse seeking support, staying unemployed or underemployed post-divorce could affect long-term financial stability. Texas judges often expect both parties to contribute towards self-sufficiency after a reasonable period. This emphasis on self-sufficiency aligns with the state's general philosophy on spousal maintenance, which is designed as a temporary measure rather than a permanent financial safety net. Therefore, if you're in a position to work and have no barriers such as health issues or young children requiring full-time care, the court may expect you to explore your employment options. In cases where finding work is challenging due to gaps in employment or lack of experience, it's wise to seek training or education that can improve job prospects. Courts may look favorably upon efforts to gain skills or certifications that enhance earning potential. Proactively seeking such opportunities can demonstrate a commitment to self-sufficiency, which may influence the court's view on spousal support duration and amount. Ultimately, the goal is for both parties to emerge from the divorce with a plan for independent financial stability, balancing fair support obligations with each person's capacity to earn a living. Navigating these expectations can be challenging, but understanding Texas family law's stance on post-divorce employment can help in planning your next steps. So if you're concerned about how divorce may impact your financial obligations or employment status, consulting with a Texas family law attorney can prove valuable guidance. Each situation is unique, and legal advice can help you understand how these principles might apply to your case, giving you the tools needed to make informed decisions for your future. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.